Alright, welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel. Today we're going to show you how to make this old Roman dish. It's called creamy garlic chicken, and we threw a little bit of spinach in there. It's really awesome. Chef Dom's going to show you how to make
Great
this.
dish.
Real easy to make, quick.
Fast.
Alright, let's get cooking.
All right, first we're gonna pound out some chicken. We got some done here already. We're gonna, just pound it out a little bit on each side. Tenderize are really good. Really nice, man. Beautiful. Salt and pepper out chicken on each side. You want to be careful with the salt too, because we're going to add some cheese to that sauce for the chicken we're doing today. Okay. Some salt. And we're going to fry it. We're going to saute our chicken.
Alright.
Let's get rid of this. Alright, we're gonna put some olive oil in here, and we're gonna fry up our chicken. Saute it a little bit.
Nice.
Our chicken here. Saute, fry, whatever you want to call it.
We're going to cook it halfway, right?
Yeah, a little more than halfway.
It's a nice big frying pan.
Yeah.
Perfect. Alright. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this is a very popular dish right here. Everybody loves garlic and everybody loves cream. Oh man, that smells great already. It's cooked in olive oil and salt and pepper. Perfect.
All right, we're gonna take some of these out. Some of these are pretty thin.
Nice.
We're gonna put it in the foil and we're gonna wrap it up in there.
Keep it a little warm.
Yeah.
Nice. Oh yeah. Looking good. All right.
Okay.
All ready. Chicken's all ready. I'm going to go ahead and start the sauce process here. All right. Chicken's ready.
Okay, we're just gonna cover this up until we make our sauce.
Now we're ready. All right, we're going to start up the cream sauce here. The garlic cream sauce.
Okay, we got some white wine in there. First I'm going to deglaze the pan with a little chicken stock. That cookout.
About a cup.
All right, we're going to add a little bit of wine in here. About a quarter cup.
And let that
Let
cook
that
out.
cook down a little bit.
All right.
You sit down.
Beautiful. All right. Wine is all cooked out.
We're going to add our cream to it. We got a lot of chicken, so I'm going to use most of that and save a little bit on the side just in case. But I don't think we'll need any more.
Nice.
And you're going to let that cook.
Yeah.
I'm going to add a little salt and pepper to that too. Once you cream this.
You gotta keep an eye on this, folks, because
Yeah.
this will boil over if you're not
Get
watching
away
it.
from you.
Yeah. There it goes. Raging cream. Gotta keep an eye on this, folks. I'm telling you. Make a messier stove. So let that cook down a little bit.
Our chicken to it.
All right. This will finish out the cooking process of the chicken. You don't want
We'll add
to.
our spinach in last so it doesn't, you know, we just want, it'll cook very fast.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you want to be sure you don't cook the chicken too long in the cream because the breast will dry out. Oh, you're gonna throw the rest of that juice in there. Nice. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at that.
All right, we're gonna add some beautiful grated pecorino.
Oh yeah.
Beautiful. Oh my God, this looks good.
It does. Looks really good. It smells great already. All right. Spinach ready to go in?
Awesome. I don't know if I'm gonna use all of this.
Yeah.
It's all right, you can make spinach salad.
Oh, I love spinach salad. Oh, that's a good touch right there, that spinach.
And we are ready to eat.
Alright,
Let's get started. Yeah.
Oh man, look at that. Oh,
That's good.
little cream on there. Oh, garlic cream sauce. Look at that, beautiful.
It's so good. Jesus. I already had it like soup.
All right.
Now some asparagus for me.
Yeah.
Save some for me. Just
all
teasing. I'm just teasing.
There's plenty. There's more
I
in the
see.
pot soup.
Let's try a little bit of this asparagus.
Come on in, mother dear.
You can actually get this on our next video. You get the recipe for the asparagus here with the marinara sauce. Oh.
How is
Wow.
it? Hurry up,
That's
take a
really
bite of
good.
that chicken. Me and Mom's hungry.
All right.
Go ahead, come
Let
on.
me do the taste test real
I
quick.
got sauce all over my cheese.
Well, we'll get it out. We'll get it out.
We got
my
a
God.
we got a bid for you.
I'll be quiet.
This is so good.
Holy
Wow.
crap.
Is it good?
really
What do you
delicious.
mean, is it good?
You can taste the garlic,
What are you talking about, man?
the cheese. I mean, this really has a fantastic flavor. It's really, really easy to make. Chicken's cooked perfectly.
Where's Tom? Does he like asparagus?
Probably not.
Oh my
He
God.
likes asparagus.
Yeah.
Like asparagus?
He does.
I like it too.
Very good.
See what the taste tester says.
How is it, Mama?
All
Good?
right.
All right. Well, honey, come over here and start eating.
I'm ready.
We'll see you guys next week. We appreciate the subscribers.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Yes, happy Thanksgiving, happy holidays. Take care.